Okay guys, so I go ahead and put in new chain guide and stuff like that, new tension and all that guys. Yeah, just need the cover back on it now and all that. Take out those paper, wash out in here real good, some brake cleaner and all that. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a first start up after I replace all that. Let's go. Here's the key. Just turn the key on so the gas can prime and all that. You know, it prime, get back in the injectors and all that, in the lines. You know. One start up guys. No check light. Type of radio is this? Get rid of this down here. Gonna make it run and make the coolant system bleed and all that. Idling smooth guys. Wow. That was a big one. I think these are still used when you go ahead